Weather here for the early part of this afternoon, but humid conditions. Temperatures on the way up and an approaching cold front, and those ingredients, they come together here to spark a few isolated thunderstorms in our area starting later this afternoon and into the first part of this evening. Nothing that we're tracking right now on live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar, but our threat tracker Futurecast is up in that medium range today because of that risk of thunderstorms. We also are tracking conditions at our coastline where the seas have been building as what was left of Tropical Storm Ana, and it wasn't much by the time it passed to our south earlier this morning, has been making for some larger waves. Let's talk temperatures at the coastline, where you've still been hanging on to some hazy sky conditions. You've got a wind off the water, a little cooler in Integrit to westerly in the upper 60s. We're in the upper 70s. Smithfield, Coventry, Gloucester 75, in Providence around 74 degrees with that hazy sunshine. You can see down in Narragansett how many surfers there are out in our local waters and the waves coming in here. We're watching for that high surf advisory. It's in effect until 8 o'clock this evening. Potential is there for dangerous rip currents. In fact, a high risk of rip currents, surf height around 5 feet. So surfers are out in the waters trying to take advantage of that. Keep an eye to the western sky for any potential thunderstorms to develop during the afternoon. Air temperature down there will reach a high of about 70. So we've got low pressure, what was left of Ana, departing, moving east, and an approaching cold front that'll move into western New England this afternoon and then through our area this evening. It's right along that front that we could see some storms develop as the day goes on. And our Futurecast does a nice job showing here around 1 o'clock this afternoon. A couple popping up to our north and west and trying to push eastward. So by 2:30, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, our risk of at least seeing a shower or an isolated thunderstorm will go up. Good part of the afternoon and evening may end up completely dry, but again, right through about 8 this evening, we'll have the potential for a shower or thunderstorm. Main concern with these would be the potential for some damaging wind gusts. Long gone by tomorrow morning. Cooler air has replaced it, drier air conditions too, so the humidity will be much lower, and we're looking at a mix of sun and clouds for your Wednesday afternoon. This afternoon, warm and turning breezy, 84 degrees for an afternoon high with that isolated shower or thunderstorm. Overnight tonight falling down to about 54 degrees, clearing dry and turning less humid. And then tomorrow's high, a much cooler 67. This is actually pretty close to our average high for this time of year for mid-May, but it'll feel much cooler and the winds will be pretty busy out of the northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. That combination with the recent dry conditions, even though we had a couple of showers today and the risk of a thunderstorm this afternoon, it's not widespread, and most of it has been very insignificant. So there's going to be an elevated fire weather risk, especially on Wednesday. The humidity will be very low. 7-day Futurecast, 84 for today, then 67 for tomorrow, upper 60s to near 70. Couple of very nice spring days, Thursday and Friday. Saturday, it's not looking that great right now. We've got at least the risk of scattered showers. It looks like it may end by Saturday evening. It also looking cool and mainly cloudy. Sunday looks like the better half of the weekend. Mix of sun and clouds and upper 60s. You want to download the WPRI Pinpoint